What we're going to go over now are a few different ways that you can perform some static stretching. So static stretching is best to be performed after you're done with a run, meant to be held for at least 90 seconds. And so the first stretch we can go over is something called the hip 90-90. So one leg is in front, the other leg is in back, making sure 90 degrees here, 90 degrees here. The goal is to sit upright. If you are unable to because of stiffness, then you might want to prop yourself up with a yoga block or a book. But sitting up nice and straight, being able to hold this for at least 30 seconds, but again, ideally a little bit longer to up to 90 seconds would be better. You are then going to come forward into a stretch here for about 30 to 90 seconds. You'll feel a stretch in the hip of the front leg. This is more of a piriformis stretch. You're going to sit up and then rotate over top of the back leg. You'll feel it more into the leg that is up to the side within the hip joint. So that is the hip 90-90. If you want to do a specific piriformis stretch, you can cross one foot over top of the other and hang out in this position, allowing the knee to come out to the side. If you want to intensify that stretch, you can lie on your back, hold onto the back of the thigh, and then pull it towards you. You'll feel the stretch on the side that's creating that figure 4 position. If you wanted to stretch out the front of the hip, you can do a kneeling hip flexor stretch. So the biggest problem that I'll notice for people is that they will do a hip flexor stretch like this, where they're arching their back. The main thing when it comes to a hip flexor stretch is you want to keep the pelvis tucked under you. This helps to put your pelvis in a better position so you can get a better overall stretch. And so tucking the pelvis underneath and then shifting forward slightly, you'll feel a stretch right in through here. And you hold this for 90 seconds.